Welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to show you the 5 stages of registration with Imo State Government SkillUp Acquisition Program. SkillUp Imo is a digital skill training program by Imo State Government led by Excellency Distinguished Senator Hope Uzodinma to promote digital skills for the indigenous, not just the indigenous, but the residents of Imo State. So this project can be participated by anyone residing in Imo State. This is the 4th edition of this program, and all the trainees have actually been compensated with lots of equipment like laptop and etc. So what I'm going to do on this video is to show you how you can be able to sign up successfully without any hinges. Now, there are 5 stages of signing up. I made this video as a result of questions people are asking, how can they be able to sign up successfully? Previously, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd edition did not follow these rigorous steps. But on this video, I'm going to review to you the 5 steps that will qualify you to become a trainee of the Imo State Skill Acquisition Program. So if it's the kind of video you like watching, please do well to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever I bring important update like this, YouTube is going to notify you. And bear in mind, this video is not meant to promote any political agenda of any government. It's just an experiment to show you how you can be able to participate, and I will be doing it live on this video. Watch and see you at the comment section. And the process of registration utterly changed in this very stage. Now, for you to, be approved to join the SkillUp program in Imo State, what you need to do first is to get your IMSSBN number, which is the first step. So actually, what you need to do is to go to your MyImo App. So you go to your Google and type MyImo App. Sign up with MyImo App. If you feel like downloading the app, you can do so. So when you sign up with MyImo App first, then that is the first step that you are going to take. Then the next thing is to register for your IMSSBN verification, because that is the number you require to do. So on this very video, I'm going to take you through and show you how you can be able to do this immediately. So first of all, you have to come here to your MyImo app, either the downloaded version or on your Chrome browser. Then, okay, as I said, this is the second process of your sign up by registering your IMSSBN. So to get our verification number to proceed first. So being that I've initially signed up for my IMSSBN registration, you could see that mine just showed up now. That my own is actually approved right now. So you can see approved. What I should do next is now to start registration process. Then all I need to do is to copy that number that was sent to my email, and this takes a couple of maybe a day or 2 or 3 days. Then I have to enter it here. Then as soon as I have to click on verifying. Now I'm at the 2nd stage of this. Now all I need to do is to put all these details together and put your details correctly. If you look here, you have to put your full name as it is in your name, as it is being arranged in your name. Now you have to put your name, number, registration. So, and some of these ones, your gender, your phone number, your email must be the right email that you receive email with. And just like the same email you use in registering your IMSSB registration, then these are all other informations that you have to, like this one, the marital status, state of origin, because it's been chosen in your IMSSB number registration, so it actually will be showing here. So we're going to fill this, then we'll see it at the end of this. So on this next phase, which is the 3rd stage to complete your registration, so you have to fill your highest qualification, your educational qualification and institution. We are done with completing this 3rd stage, so we have to click on continue. Then the 4th stage is you have to select choose your training center and training course. So let's go ahead and do that now. So let's click on this. Federal University of education. You can choose Polytechnic in Nekede, Avan Ikoku, Avan. Then I have to select course. It's digital marketing. Then we'll have to click on. So the next of kin, you have to provide next of kin and contact. So right now we have to put the next of kin, the details. That's my sibling. Okay, I think it's optional. So this is the time for you to submit all. You must make sure that the information you submitted are correct. Then we have to click on submit registration. Submit. That's the final stage of this registration. Successfully sign up. So this is how you can actually sign up with your SkillUp Imo. Do your SkillUp Imo registration. So if you actually find value on this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.